Whoa, where's my shit?
Alright, I'm gonna try a strat.
Someone please tell me what this noise is.
Where's that? Are you guys hearing this? Bro, what is this? Guys, what is this?
Good, you're running. Or out.
What is that? Wait, bro, did you hear that?
No, what happened?
Died a bomb.
In the beginning, and like before in pre-round, did you hear that? The
No, what
music?
happened? No.
Dude, are you fucking with me?
No, what music?
Bro, you didn't hear any music.
No, I didn't
You
hear
heard no
anything.
music at all during pre-round. No weird
No.
piano.
No.
Dude, who the fuck is doing this?
What the hell are
Dude,
you
someone's
talking about?
fucking with me. Someone has to be fucking with me.
I think you got hacked. Sounds very eerie.
Did anyone hear any like music?
Bro, I'm telling you, no one heard it. There was no music.
No.
No, I think you're geeking.
I heard it.
No, he didn't.
Not.
Okay.
Guys, what was that? No, I don't have any browsers open.
Alright,
See?
zero death challenge.
Probably
House,
TP
probably?
website.
Yeah, clear both house.
Noise boat. Fuck me.
Dude, someone has to be fucking with me.
36 on Phoenix.
Stream. Guys, whoa, where's my shit?
Alright, I'm gonna try a strat. Are you guys ready to cook?
Oh
Nice.
no! Guys,
Yo, Sage, please say when. Please say when.
I wouldn't
Okay.
doing this to me.
Bruh.
Wait, what?
Bruh. You gotta say when. You gotta buy.
Guys, I don't understand.